Hi there, Jeff again. In my testing of the audio-based headbot, the one in the previous video with the microphones on it, I had to do some clever little bits of coding to make the microphones work, and in the process I ended up creating this. This is basically an oscilloscope. It's a cheap oscilloscope, mind you. It's a bit of software that I wrote that sits on my PC, which is connected through a USB cable to this little gadget, through these little wires here to the chip. And basically it's a serial port connection that's providing data telling the PC about what kind of information is coming through the microphones. The PC program then turns that into this neat little graph that scrolls by and updates itself every few seconds, as you can see. And if I yell into the microphone, you can see it shows up on the oscilloscope. Or if I simply just tap it or make some noises into it, you can see that it's displaying the data that's being picked up by the microphone. So I'll do another little test. Hello. And there's a big hello in the microphone. Pretty neat. It's just using an open source program called GNU-plot, which is a very handy little program, and a little Visual Basic script. It's not particularly complicated, but it really solves the job very nicely for me because I was able to see the baseline of where the microphones are when there's no data. I was able to see the swings in the microphone when there was data, and so forth. So it turned out to be a handy little thing, and it's actually going to be helpful for several other projects that we have coming up. So there you go. That's the oscilloscope. It works pretty well. That's all.